Okay, so Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we'll take a look at the male and female pelvis and what are the differences found in the both. So we know that this is a male pelvis and this is a female pelvis, and let's talk about the differences found in the two. So the false pelvis, जो होता है, is a true pelvis in case of males that is quite deep, while in case of females that is quite shallow. And in addition to that, the pelvic inlet, which you can see here, is you can say it's heart shaped in males, while in case of females it is quite transversely oval. And the pelvic cavity, जो true pelvic cavity होती है, that is quite smaller and deeper in case of males, while it's in females it's called shallower and roomier, right? And then we say that the pelvic outlet जो कि हमें नजर नहीं आ रहा, that pelvic outlet is quite bigger, right? And it's everted and the ischial tuberoses are everted in case of females. So females में pelvic outlet bigger होगा and the ischial tuberoses will be everted or farther apart, while in case of males the pelvic outlet will be smaller and the tuberoses are inverted or you can say directed inwards. Okay, then the sacrum bone, as you can see, it's quite longer and narrower in case of males, while in case of females it's shorter and wider, right? And then the most important difference between the male and female pelvis is that of a subpubic angle. As you can see here, it's about 50 to 60 degrees in case of males and like smaller definitely, and in case of females this subpubic angle is larger, that is 80 to 85 degree, as you can see. Okay, then the next thing is a greater sciatic notch. We know that greater sciatic notch is the lesser and greater sciatic notches are there. Then the greater sciatic notch is, you can say, quite wider in case of females, while in case of males it's quite smaller, right? And in case of females the angle is about 75 degree, while in case of males the angle of the greater sciatic notch is only 50 degrees. Okay, then the sternum, as you can see, is quite large in males, while in case of females the sternum is smaller, where the femurous bone is going to be inserted. Then we talk about a line called the chilotic line or the arcuate line, and it is extending from the iliopubic eminence till the iliac crust. And this line अगर देखा जाए तो इसका जो एक होता है pelvic component और एक होता है इसका sacral component. So in case of females you can say the pelvic component of this line is longer than the sacral component, and that is not true in case of males, right? And then we have a sulcus called as a preauricular sulcus or the preauricular groove, and this preauricular sulcus is quite marked in females, while in case of males it's not that appreciable. So these are the differences found in the male and female pelvic bones. So that was all about it, and thank you so much for listening to me. Allah Hafiz, take care.